This is Chris from Paratech, and in this video we are going to learn how to install the e-commerce plugin Woocommerce, and we are going to take a look at the settings options. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Woocommerce. And this is the one we are going to use. Woocommerce is the world's most popular open source e-commerce solution. This plugin will allow us to create a page that will work as an e-commerce site. In essence, a shop, an online shop. So we are going to click on install now. And then we are going to click on activate. There we go. Now we are going to go, not right now, and we are going to go to the settings options. So we are going to look for Woocommerce tab here on the left bar, and we are going to take a look at the setting options. So here we are. Now on the general tabs we have the store address. This is where your business is located. Tax and rates and shipping rates will use this address. So we can add two addresses: the city we are when our business is located, the country where our business is located, the zip code, and for the general options we have the selling locations, sell to all country, or we can sell to all countries except for or to specific countries. The shipping location, we can ship to all countries, ship to specific countries, disable shipping and shipping calculation, and ship to all countries. And the default customer localization, the shop based address. These options determine the customer default location, and we can enable taxes. We can click and enable the tax rates and calculations. Rate will be configured and taxes will be calculated during the checkout. We can enable coupons, enable the use of coupon codes. Coupon code can be applied from the cards checkout pages. Calculate the coupon discounts sequentially. When applying multiple coupons, apply the first coupon to the full price and this coupon to be discounted price, and so on. And we have the currency options. The following options affect how prices are displayed on the front end. So here we can change the currency to the one we are using, the position of the currency, and the separators for the thousand, decimal, and number of decimals. So we are going to move to the product tabs, and here we can select the page that will act as the shop. This sets the base page of your shop. We can select here among the pages, add to cart behavior, redirect to the cart page after a successful donation, or enable extra add to cart buttons on archives. The placeholder image here will this attachment ID or image URL used for placeholder image in the products catalog. Products with no image will use this image we add here. And we have the measurements, the weights in which measure, and the dimension we have different measure as well. And for the reviews, we can enable the reviews, show verify owner label on customer reviews, and reviews can only be left by verified owners. And product ratings, enable the star rating on reviews. Star rating should be required but not optional. So we are going to go to the shipping, and here we can add the shipping zones to our site, and we have some shipping options. We can enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, hide the shipping cost until an address is entered. Shipping destination, default to customer shipping address, default to the customer billing address, or force shipping to the customer billing address, and we can activate at the book mode, and we have the shipping classes, and here we can add our shipping classes. We are going to move to the payment tab, and here we can enable the different payment methods. We have direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, or the PayPal standard, and here we can set them up. So we are going to move to account and privacy, and on the guest checkout, allow the customers to place orders without an account. We can allow the customers to log into an existing account during the checkout. The account creation, allow customers to create an account during checkout, allow the customers to create an account on the My Account page, and when creating an account, automatically generate an account username for the customer based on their name, surname, or email. And when creating an account, automatically generate an account password. This could be checked or unchecked as you see fit. And the account erasure request, remove personal data from order on request, remove access to downloads on request, and allow personal data to be removed in bulk from orders. And we can check here for privacy policy decision control to display on your website. Privacy policy, the privacy notice below will not show unless a privacy page is set. And here we have our registration policy and checkout privacy policy, and the personal data retention, chose how long to retain personal data when it's no longer needed for processing. Leave the following options flagged to retain this data indefinitely. So here we can add the number of months, days, and so on, and the information will be retained in our site. And we are going to move to the emails tab by clicking on emails. And here we have all the emails notifications we have for new orders, cancel failed orders, and so on. And we can manage them each individually here. These are the recipients for these emails. It could be ourselves or the customers. Email sender options from, and we can change it here from name, from address, and here we have an email template. We can add a header image, footer text, and the base background and body colors of the mails. So we are going to move to the integration, and here we can add the maximize geolocation to the site. We need to add the API key here, and the data file path, you can use it here. We will show you something different according to your hosting. Then we are going to move to the advanced tab, and here we can set up the page, cart page, checkout page, my account page, the terms and condition page. We can force a secure checkout. And for the checkout endpoints are appended to your page's URLs to handle a specific action during the checkout process. They should be unique, and here we can change them: order and pay, order and receive, and so on. Account endpoints, and they work mostly in the same manner: order, view order, download, edit account address, and so on. And we have the REST API, and we can configure it and add here the Woocommerce REST API that allows external apps to view and manage stored data. Webhooks. The webhooks are event notifications sent to URLs of your choice. They could be used to integrate with third-party services which support them. And the legacy API. We can enable the legacy REST API woocommerce.com, and we have some features here. Gathering usage data allows the user of Woocommerce better. Your store will be considered as we evaluate new features judge the quality of an update, or determine if any improvement makes sense. We can enable the tracking, and we have some marketplace suggestions. We show contextual suggestions for official extensions that might be helpful to your store. It could be checked or unchecked here. And we have some features. Start using new features that are being progressively rolled out to improve the store management experience. And we have one here. Home screen display analytical insight, inbox notifications, and handy shortcuts in a single screen, and can be selected here. So that's it. We have learned how to install the e-commerce plugin Woocommerce, and we take a look at what the setting options has for us. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.